Hi guys, welcome back to Four Wheel Driver's Life. A couple months ago, I attended the Koch 33 Off-Road Truck Show. And there is a RTI ramp for trucks to test out their flexing index or RTI index. Due to the angle or incline angle is over 20 degrees, it's not a standard RTI ramp, but then it still gives you a very good idea of how each truck stacks up against each other. So today I'm just going to show you all the Tacomas I have filmed. And some of them are stock, some of them are modified, and some of them are really modified. And as you can see here, this one is a stock Tacoma TRD Pro on stock size tires and stock suspension. However, the wheels are the TE37 wheels, which is really nice looking. And this is the flex of this truck.
Nice wheels.
Next up, we have a cement gray Tacoma on 203-inch lift with Ironman 4x4 Rate Series front and rear bumpers. I believe it also has a Prinsu rack and then Rome case on top. And then the race relation wheels.
Are you in for low? Yeah. There you go.
I'm just trying to show you from the rear and then on the side of what the full flex, full articulation looks like for each truck. Next up, we have a really well done Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road on about 203-inch lift and 33-inch tires. It's got a row of KC light bar, water port on the top, and then the rooftop tent on top of the canopy. This is a really good setup. Dobinson suspension, Ridge grappler tires. It's really functional as well, and the sliders, of course. And I think it's a long bed from the look of this angle.
Good. No problem.
Next, we have a black Toyota Tacoma with a hybrid bumper and about 2 to 3 inch lift. I couldn't tell what kind of lift it has, and 33-inch tires. It's got a rack system in the bed and then the rooftop tent on top with Rotopacks and bike mounted. Now I can see that it's the Icon suspension, at least in the rear. And now we have a first-gen Tacoma, a lot of lift and solid axle swap on the front. Yeah, this thing is probably gonna win this contest, no matter what, because you will see how flexy it gets.
The rim is not long enough. He went.
Yeah, as you see here, it's almost on the top of this RTI ramp, and now it's finally having its diagonal wheels in the air. And yeah, so safe to say that it wins. To correctly measure the RTI score, the wheelbase has to be measured on this Tacoma due to the modification it's done, so the wheelbase is not really stock anymore. Here's another attempt from this black Tacoma on the RTI ramp. From this angle you can see that it's got the Victory 4x4 hybrid front bumper and probably Prinsu roof rack as well. Personally, I'm a big fan of black trucks. The camera never do its justice. I can tell you that at this angle, even it may not look too bad, but if you're actually in the driver's seat, it actually feels a lot worse than it looks here. Alright, that's it for the Toyota Tacoma's articulation comparison. So which Toyota Tacoma did better? Please comment below of what you think. And please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you like the content. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good one.